Welcome back, graduates. Today I'm going to show you how to configure and set up your bundle builder on Ecomify version 2.0. So what this will look like is if you go to the bundle builder, it's going to look like this. You're going to have a heading, a subtext, and then scrolling down here, you're going to have a sorting and then also a show filters if you would like as well. Scrolling down, you'll see that all these products are in the bundle builder collection, so you can go in and add. They also do have infinite scroll, as you can see as well. When I go into a product and I add to bundle, you can just select the certain variant that you would like as well, and the threshold right here increases as you keep on adding it. You can add it to the wish list and see the swatches as well, or if you want to go in, it just goes into another product to read the description as well. So going back to the bundle builder, you can also view the contents that's in your bundle, and you can see the savings and pricing as well. Add bundle to cart and it'll add it to cart. Another trick to clear out your cart real quick is if you go into your URL and type in cart/clear, this will clear your cart automatically. So I'm going to go back into my bundle builder and I see that I have the crew neck, shoes, and I'm going to add this to my cart. And now 4 items have been added to my cart. I'm going to go to checkout. And you will see that bundle save 10 has been applied. So I added 4 products and bundle save has been applied. So these are through automatic discounts, and I'll show you in the next step how to configure that as well. So what you want to first do is go into your backend of your Shopify store, and you can do this in a couple steps. You can create the collections first or the discounts, and then go into the theme editor. So right over here, we'll just create the collections. So under products, you're going to click under collections right over here, and you're going to create a new collection if you haven't done so. So I have 36 products in here, bundle builder. You can have the text, the description here, and then you can have it by automatic if price is greater than 0. You can have manual, or you can have automatic collections as well. So scrolling down, it has all the products here that I do have as well. And then I have an image to set here. Under the theme template, you're going to want to assign bundle right here and not the default collection. So bundle, when you have this uploaded, the theme uploaded live, it's going to give you the option for the theme template to be assigned to bundle. If you are working on a different theme, it is live and you're working on it at the bottom. If your theme that you're working on here is not Ecomify theme, but Ecomify theme is down here, you're not going to see that template readily available to play with yet, but only through the theme editor itself. So once I create the collections, so I'll show you create a collection. I'm going to name it bundle builder, bundle. I can create automatic or manual. I can do manual, and then I can go in and add manually the products with the image right over here and set it to bundle. Next, what I'm going to do is create an automatic discount. So bundle save 10, bundle save 20, and bundle save 40. You'll notice that it says 10% off the entire order, minimum of $100 purchase. So right over here in my cart, I've had over $100. So now it automatically saved the percentage for bundle save 10 to give me that percentage off and discount rate. To create this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have 3 tiers: bundle save, 10, 20, and 40. So create a discount, and you want to do off the entire order, automatic discount, and you're going to name this bundle save 35. This is for demo purposes only. Once I have bundle save 35, 35 is the count that they're going to be saving, the percentage or a fixed amount. And then what you want to do is minimum quantity of items. So let's say I want them to order six products in order to get the 35% off. And then also it can be combined with shipping discounts as well. And then active dates from today and ongoing, or you can set an end date and then save discount. So summary, this is the code. It's an automatic on the whole order for 35% off on the entire order for one-time purchase, minimum purchase of 6 items. So I have to have 6 items in my cart from the bundle builder of those specific products that I added in that collection. And then it's active today. And then I just go and click save. So I would do this 3 more times so it looks like this. So this is bundle save 20, saving 20% on entire order, minimum 200. So as you go up to your percentage, your price increases as well. So the next thing you want to do is go into the online store, and you're going to go and click customize. And once you're in here, we have it already in the navigation for demo purposes, but you can go into the homepage navigation right over here and scrolling all the way down to collections, the third one, you're going to want to click bundle. And right over here, you're going to have the default as what we have right now. We have the 36 products in here. I have 26 active, however. So once you're in here, you're going to want to click on collection bundle, and on the right sidebar, you're going to be given these settings to configure as well. So the bundle tiers, this is exactly how we created it in the back for the discounts. Please use the following format to set up your bundle tiers and their corresponding discounts. So it's the total price and then the discount with a comma, just like this. Also, preferably you should set the corresponding automatic discount to each of your tiers. So this is the video to refer to. So what it's saying is the price and the discount, price and the discount, and the price and the discount. So 340, let's go back and just double check. So we'll go back into here and just double check our discounts that it is working. So it's 340. So 340. So it's 10 and 100. So 10% for 100, 20% for 200, 40 for 300. In this exact order as well. Then you can have a redirect to checkout, enable the settings to redirect your users directly to checkout rather than just showing the cart. So what this means is, instead of going to my bundle builder and, instead of view this, just have it directly add to cart. Going down here in a container, this just means if it's wrapped in a container or if it's fluid, it's going to be full width. To view this, you can go and click on full width, and it's full width like this. We've noticed that container works really well for a nice clean look. Then text alignment for the headings, left or right option. You can also limit how many products per page display until it does the infinite scroll function itself. Show filters, and that is what this right here looks like. And then show filters button color, secondary outline, or I could do secondary and it'll look like this. So let's do success. There we go. And then green, so it's the colors that you assigned in the back end going into your theme settings and styling and color. Going down here, show filter buttons option, show sort by. This is by automatically through Shopify's algorithm and what is best selling alphabetically and pricing as well. And then you can have the option show scroll top button as well. So that is right here, and it just scrolls at the very top as well if you do have a long list of products to choose from. Now The next step is you have your show image, your image opacity, which is going to be right here. This is the image that you assigned in the backend when creating the collections. Going back into here, we'll show products, collections, and this is the image right over here. So I would choose around 1600 by 450 for best practices. And then image opacity is the visibility of it. And then you also have image blur, title size. H1 is the biggest, H6 is the smallest. Then you have description size, FS1 biggest, FS6 smallest. Then you also have your bundle card itself, which you can have the header background to be dark, primary. You can play around with that as well. And then the heading title, you can do my bundle, my bundle items, and then the heading size, and we give a shadow option, a small shadow, a large shadow will look like this, how it's very, it has a very slight drop shadow. And then also your add to cart color option as well, and the view button content. So you have color options to play with these as well. And then you have the bundle progress bar, uncompleted, which is the primary color that I chose, and then color success. So these are based off of the bootstrap colors. So primary is the ones that you assigned in the back end. Success will always be green. Warning is yellow. Danger is red, and info is blue or turquoise. Scrolling down here, you have the product item itself, which is the image. If you image gallery, if you want to hover over, change the second image. So it'll just hover over the second image instead of the thumbnails. So image gallery shows the thumbnails like this, and hover over. And a simple image, just one static image, so none of these. Image orientation, if you want it to be square, landscape, or portrait, depending on what your product looks like and your size. Then image thumbnail, we have none, and we have the thumbnail. Thumbnail gives the background border like so, and none displays no thumbnail. Then we have the title size option as well, H6 being the smallest, H1 being the largest, and you can play around with those settings as well. And toggling on wish list, and also showing to the add to cart button. Your breakpoints are how many are displayed on the screen at a time. So you want to play with the large and small, extra large and extra large. So I'm saying at the moment there's 3 across on large screens. So we can even have 4. Take in consideration the buttons, the text, color swatches, things like that. So 3 or even 2 would look nice. And then on large screens, again, 3. To view on mobile, it'll look like this. So I'm saying on extra small screens or mobile, have two items. And then here switching, you can switch it to the full screen, and this is what it'll look like for the full screen, like this. Now, once you have that, you're just going to go and click save, and that is it for the configuration. So as long as you have the collection created for the bundle builder, then you have the discounts created as well. Through automatic discounts, this should work really well. Click on view, and I have 4 items in my cart. I'm going to go back and do cart clear to clear that out. Going into my bundle builder, and I am going to add, for demo purposes, I'm going to add, let's see, minimum 200. So I need to add 200 items in here. Just going to go and keep on adding until I reach 200, almost there. And I'll have one more. So now I have 220. I'm saving $55, and I can either add it or view it. And now I have all the products added to my cart. I'm going to check out, and I should receive the bundle save 20. And bundle save 20 has now been automatically applied. And that's how the bundle works. Thank you.